Hi everyone, Petalist Bless is here, and I'm coming on today to share with you guys a wedding centerpiece that I'm going to make, a complete wedding centerpiece that I intend to make. I went to the Dollar Tree and looked to see what I could find, and this is what I came up with. Okay, I have my gems from Totally Dazzled, because this is what I'll be using to help with my centerpiece today, these lovely gems that I have from Totally Dazzled. And I have my rhinestone mesh ribbon. I call it my Bling ribbon. And the ribbon is also from Totally Dazzled. And I found these lovely candle holders in the Dollar Tree. Aren't they just, they're beautiful to me. And of course I have the candlestick holders also. And the tall ones. And this vase I got in Dollarama. And I got these floating tea light candles. The Dollar Tree also has them. And I bought these, the water beads. I might use them, I'm thinking about it. But we'll see as we go along if I do add them. And I got some glitter and my Mod Podge. That too, I'll see if I add that. And I got these flowers from the Dollar Tree. Arrangements of different flowers. All kinds. But with the same color pattern, so they will blend together and look nice. And I have these sticks. I'll show you what I'll be doing with these. And I have my glue gun and my E6000, you guys. And I also have the foam ball over here. So, let's get started. Alright everyone, I took the bling wrap and I cut it into squares. I did my squares 12 by 12. You can do your squares any size that you like. That's what I like with the mesh wrap, because you can just cut it and do any design that you like. So, and I'm going to place the squares on both sides of my candle holder. And I'd like to add that the glue that I use is from Walmart. I like Walmart glue because it's nice and strong. They're hot glue. And I also use the Gorilla Glue from Walmart also. It's better glue than the dollar store. The Dollar Tree glue does not hold very well, in my opinion, because I've tried it and I know. So I don't use it. And now I'm going to place one of our bling gems from Totally Dazzled at the top of my diamond. Just on one side. Why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else to be there for you, girl. And here are candle holders. I glued them together with the E6000 overnight. And this is what they look like. I think they look very cute. And now we're going to start with our main centerpiece. I took the bling wrap and wrapped the bottom piece. And I cut out the squares again to go around our main centerpiece with our bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Summer comes around, I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize, no, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. Real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give him me, 'cause I'm waving. And now we're just going to place our gems going around the vase, one over each diamond. And now we're going to add the flowers to the foam ball. Now we're just going to glue our gems onto the sticks that I was showing you earlier. Just place a dab of glue and then put the sticks down into it. You have to hold it for a few minutes and let it dry. And this is how they look once they're dry. I just took the long sticks, broke them in pieces, and then just added them to the gems. And now we're just going to add them into our flowers. Need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waving. Yeah, wave it, baby. Wave it, baby. You know I'm waving. And here we go, everyone. Our glamorous wedding centerpieces. I just love the gems and the mesh wrap, bling wrap as I call it, from Totally Dazzled. It just gave life to this centerpiece. I really love the gems that she has. And as you see, I added the tea lights to the vase at the bottom with some of the little crystal gems that I got from the Dollar Tree also. And turned on the tea lights so it lights up the vase. So it looks very nice. Alright everyone, I'm having a giveaway for 8 napkin holders, which is sponsored by Totally Dazzled. And here's just 3 of the designs that you have to choose from. She has a lot more. You just go on her site and you pick which ones you want. When you choose the ones that you want, all you have to do is just let me know and I will have Totally Dazzled ship them out to you. Okay, the rules are very simple. All you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, and you also have to go over and subscribe to Totally Dazzled YouTube channel, and you also have to follow her on Instagram. I'll have all the information in the description bar below, so you can just go over, click on them, do those things, and then just let me know that you did them and that you entered, and the winner will be chosen randomly. The giveaway will be on for 2 weeks. So I will choose the winner on April the 22nd. Alright everyone, I want to thank you for coming on and seeing my glamorous centerpiece that I did with the gems from Totally Dazzled. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed. Bye bye everyone. Ooh, you know.